these Forest River guys. I don't know. All the other manufacturers are going to be. I already saw the Jayco guys saying, "What are you doing?" I already saw the Winnebago guys saying, "What are you doing?" I saw the Airstream people saying, "What's going on?" But this is a crazy story, folks. We started out with Jerry, and Jerry's one awesome guy. You got to check out those videos. Then we went to Derek. He said, "Go see Derek." We saw Derek. Totally different brand, awesome stuff. Then we saw Christian and we took a look at his stuff. But then we heard, stay away from Jeff. This guy's got nothing to show you.
What's going on, Jeff?
So Alice said they're all jealous. They're jealous of this Jeff guy at Forest River. We got to find out what's going on. And what's going on is right here, 2025, under $90,000. And Jeff's got the talk of the town. No wonder they don't want us to talk to him. Yeah. Tell them what we got here, Jeff.
Guys, we are reinvented the fifth wheel game. This is our destination fifth wheel. It is 530 square feet, not even counting the 2 lofts, 4 slides, bath and a half. This thing literally has it all. Did you see this TV here?
I mean, 65-inch.
This thing is insane, okay? I mean, you've got solid surface countertops. Solid surface. There's no options. This is how it comes, right? So as long as you like everything about this, that's the box you need to check.
And it's so hard to not like what you see.
I mean, the colors are great, the fit and finish. I mean, you guys,
Did you see this big pantry?
I mean, this pantry's got to be the biggest ever at Hershey or Tampa. That thing, you could put, you could put a lot of cornflakes in that bad boy. And everything in here, it's just fantastic. The sink is fantastic. This is a beautiful look. But let's go ahead and get this video started. Yeah. Alice, I don't know about you hanging out with all these Forest River guys. They got everything here at the 2025 models. Alice, are you ready?
Yes, I am. Let's go, guys.
Let's go check it out.
Woo-hoo.
Wow, we've got an incredible video for you today. The Godzilla of fifth wheels. That's right. Show debut here at the Hershey Show, the Salem Hemisphere. This is a monster. It is colossal, all for under $90,000 in the year 2025 here at the Hershey Show. Definitely check out our Facebook, Instagram page, our website, howtohavefunoutdoors.com, our sister channels, How to Have Fun Camping, Cruising, and Fishing. You got to check them all out. But today we're talking about this bad boy. It is huge. It is magnificent, and it's the talk of the show. This is the number one thing everyone was going to look at, the Salem Hemisphere. It is remarkable for the price, and we're going to take you in there and show it to you from front to back. You're going to love this video. Grab the popcorn, grab the kids, and get ready for the Godzilla, the 2025 Salem Hemisphere fifth wheel.
Wow, we got a show debut 2025, another monster, Alice. This thing is colossal, and boy, oh boy, we're going to have a couple of videos on this. We'll do one for how to have fun camping by itself, but we're going to have a war battle one between this and another big.
The Cottage.
That thing was incredible too. We got 2 incredible brand new 2025 monster rigs, and they are both gorgeous. Forest River went out of control with this. But take a look at this, guys. This is the 2025 Salem Hemisphere HEM 43ROOST. And what? $130,000 MSRP, marked down $40,000 to a show price of $89,999, 2025. And what do you get for $90,000? I mean, guys, a house. That's right. I mean, if you're in the Class B market like us with camper vans, you can't even get a camper van for this price. And this thing is colossal. Take a look at it. It is huge, absolutely huge. And we're going to show you today how awesome it is.
Most of the destination trailers are not designed to be towed. This being a fifth wheel triple axle, you can literally full-time camp in this. You can tow this up and down the interstate, go from park to park to park to park, where a destination trailer is typically meant to park and sit.
Yeah.
That's going to be the big benefit to most of my customers.
You have an L-shaped sofa. Look at this. Really comfortable, great design. I love the colors. It's a very nice dark brown with a nice tea table in front of you. Great television on one side, and then you can speak with everybody else right there at the dining area.
Yeah, no small electric, beautiful fireplace there. That's a big one. I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera. JBL, take a look at the wood finish here. Very, very nice. These guys have done a great job. This is a monster TV, 65-inch smart TV with Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video. It's got it all. But unlike the other unit, you've got, look at that, a spiral staircase.
Yes.
Pretty fancy-dancy. Take a look at that.
Yeah, let's
Swing
go
on up.
upstairs.
Wow.
And you have the bedroom for the kids.
Wow.
It is very conveniently located here, facing down, and this is really, really nice.
Yeah, this
You
is
can-
super cool. And
Nice
you've got all
area.
that storage. Take a look at that. And I love the way that it's got that little decorative look to it. That is nice with the storage over here too.
Oh,
We
yeah,
haven't
look
seen
at
that,
that.
where you can put their clothes up in there.
Very nice.
Very, very cool. So we'll swing back down here, but take a look at this, guys. Absolutely amazing. Forest River was nice enough to let us get in here. Again, nice wood texture. So with all these 2025 models, a lot of effort in fit and finish that we have not seen. The quality issues that have been in the marketplace with all the RVs during COVID seem to be gone. So if you are, leery of RVs, it's time to come back out. The pricing is relatively pretty amazing compared to all
for
the
the
everything
type
being
of
so
unit.
expensive.
Absolutely.
I mean, you can buy a house here for $90,000 for a burner on
This
this.
is winning point, and then you have a really big oven, big cabinetries everywhere. And I love this idea of having the sink and a table for everyone on the same island. This is really convenient. I really enjoy it.
Yeah, I mean, take a look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've got Cinque chairs there, Alice. Big living room space, a lot of entertainment. Look at this big
The
full-size
refrigerator
fridge.
is absolutely fantastic.
Once again, the
And
fancy,
the freezer is on the other side.
Yeah.
right here.
very
big.
nice, very nice.
Awesome. Then one other thing, this is a nice area for storing your paperwork or anything that you need, and then additional storage here on top.
Yeah, really nice. It looks like we got a pantry over here. If you
Oh,
pull
yeah,
that out,
we need that.
look at the size of this pantry, guys. This thing is huge. Wow, very, very cool. And again, skylights up here, really nice with the shelf for flowers. Really nice job with this beam and the wood look. Overhead fan. And then we're going to walk right over here. What do we got? A gorgeous bathroom.
Gorgeous
Great colors
bathroom.
again, Alice.
Yeah, very nice. They have this that is for soaps and everything. And then over here, additional drawers. I love this sink design, square like this. I love the shelf looking like this type of like unprocessed wood. And this shelf for all your laundry, in addition, right over it. It's very convenient.
Yeah, this is super nice.
Not,
I mean,
like
look at
this.
this.
It's a really good design.
Look at a pocket door on that.
Obviously, porcelain.
Porcelain
and-
on the toilet, right?
Yeah. And then great shower. Once again, you can jump around, you can turn around. Everything is fantastic with a nice seat area over
Yeah,
here.
look at that. Really well done.
Oh.
Nice job.
Look at that shelf design with
Wow.
also hanging for towels. This is really great.
Yeah, you got your little robe hangers here. Nice towel hangers, storage there, washer and dryer, pull-up shelf. And as you can see, just a gorgeous, gorgeous kitchen. Nice living room, big TV, kids area up here. All the wood finish, and we're not done. We're still going up, and this thing is gorgeous. Temperature control with those Coleman mocks, 2 of those, and boy, oh boy, this is beautiful.
This is another like design very similar to the other one with a ladder here to go to another bedding area for guests or kids. You have all the USBs, you have the plugs, storage for everyone.
Set up for a
Really
TV.
nice. And
Wow.
then, finally but not least,
Built-in ladder.
you get to the main bedroom.
Wow, look
Master
at this.
bedroom design.
And take a look at the size of this. I mean, this thing is huge. The colors, the accent lighting, the shelf in the back, that headboard, just gorgeous leather backlit with the side windows. I mean, this is This is a really nice looking outfit here.
Absolutely.
This is gorgeous.
Fantastic design like this, where you can actually store your stuff and look outside. A lot of drawers. This is like a nice
Storage area. Yep.
For sitting here if you want to use this space for computer and anything.
Soft close. Look at that, guys. And then over here, the shelves back in here. You've got your USBs. We got one little minus. This guy hasn't upgraded to the USB and Cs like the other Forest Rivers. But outside of that, I can't find anything wrong with it. It is gorgeous.
Yeah, another difference compared to the other one is the hanging area is right here. So your hanging for the clothes and drawers are over here, while this one is not a storage, but is another small bathroom. You don't have the shower, but you still have the toilet and the sink available for your own bedroom.
And is that one porcelain too?
Yeah, it is.
It's a porcelain also with your own window,
Yeah.
little fan up top, AC heater duct,
here.
storage down below, nice sink, and a nice big mirror with some shelving.
Yep.
So this is nice. You have 2 bathrooms in this
Yeah.
unit. The other unit only has one bathroom. So there's a
You
difference
lose,
there.
like a closet.
You lose a little bit of a closet. But like you said, you got plenty of closet built into here, his and hers. You have a little smaller TV. Beautiful.
I like this design of the
Wow,
fireplace.
very nice.
Different than other one.
Yeah, very nice. That's a slick look to it. Big drawer there. That's nice. But again, the fit and finish is fantastic compared to what we've seen over the past 5-6 years. And the colors, this dark with the white, it's that tuxedo kind of feel to it. It is really, really nice. All right, well, gorgeous bedroom, no question about it. Lots of room in this thing to look out for all. If you want all the relatives and everybody coming out with you, no problem there. Lots of slide outs, as you can see here. Outlets on both sides of the bed, so you don't have to worry about plugging anything in. You come back over here, you got a group of kids or visitors hanging out in this bedroom. You come out here, there's a nice, beautiful view from the top. As we come down, panoramic, you can see that this is absolutely gorgeous. So Alice, what do you think? I mean, this is pretty awesome overall. No question about it. I love this living room. It is beautiful for sure. And what do you guys think? What do you think at home? Definitely give us some comments down below. Have you ever seen anything like this? I mean, this is beautiful. And we're talking about another fifth wheel here that is just amazing. And no question, Forest River did a great job with this 2025 Salem. And look at this price, $89,999. You can't even get into a low-cost Class B for that. And you get all of this, a house. In 2025. I mean, I'm personally amazed by it.
I'm
Alice,
amazed as well.
and we're going to do this video on both how to have fun outdoors and how to have fun camping. Check out both those channels. 4-burner over there, big stove, beautiful island, 5-seat capacity, nice wood top counter, gorgeous colors. This is fantastic.
Absolutely.
Finish this video up, Alice.
Well, let us know in the comment down below, which one do you prefer? Like, do you prefer the Salem? Do you prefer the Cottage? And what comments do you have on these fantastic designs? Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and thank you so much for watching How to Have Fun
Outdoors and how to have fun camping. Wow, look at that, a video being on 2 channels, but why not? This thing is awesome for sure.